Apple cider vinegar is one of the absolute favorite ingredients to use when you have acne. It is not the best smelling thing in the world, but it certainly is the best thing for DIY beauty. Not only is apple cider vinegar (ACV) packed full of wonderful vitamins and minerals, it also has many healing properties to it. It is also an antibacterial, antifungal, and an antiviral. Some ACV benefits are: 1. Heals sunburn. ACV is known to cure sunburns. It helps to soothe the pain and make the healing process fast. 2. Soothe and exfoliate skin. ACV will soothe your skin and will leave it soft and supple. Its alpha hydroxyl acid removes the dead skin cells and reveals healthy new skin cells. 3. Skin toner. ACV has astringent properties, which helps in increasing the blood flow to the skin and minimize the pores, a great remedy for the ones with oily skin. It also regulates the pH level of your skin. 4. Remove age spots and fights wrinkles. ACV has alpha hydroxyl acids, which helps in removing dead skin and reveals healthy and glowing skin. Not just that, apple cider vinegar also helps in removing the age spots and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. 5. Prevents acne and pimples. If you are struggling from stubborn acne and pimples, then keep an ACV bottle handy. Due to its antibacterial and antifungal substance, ACV helps in keeping your skin pores bacteria, oil and dust free. Raw organic ACV is not hard to find. ACV truly does work at clearing the skin of any blemishes while leaving it soft and glowing. It has become one of the staple items in DIY skincare. For more healthy information, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.